Would you dare face a spirit that hunts the ice forever? In the heart of Antarctica, where winds never cease and ice stretches endlessly, a deadly legend stirs, the Blizzard Witch. Cloaked in swirling snow and shadow, her hollow eyes glow like pale moonlight. Wherever she drifts, blizzards rage, frost bites deep, and explorers vanish without a trace. Only the bravest or the most foolish glimpsed her pale, haunting face. The Blizzard Witch still haunts Antarctica, her curse eternal. Nature's fury is relentless, and some forces are better left undisturbed. Have you ever felt the cold of fear creep into your bones? What would you do if you were face to face with the Blizzard Witch? Leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe if you like folklore stories.